Hey y'all, it's Heather. I've been outside working in the yard and now I need to whip up some lunch. I am going to make a little extra so I have it for the rest of the week. But egg salad, quick, easy, simple. If you're looking for egg salad with onions and celery and dill in it, this is not it. My egg salad is simple and it is a bit sweet. I've got a piece of bread toasting on the griddle and now I'm going to mix up the egg salad. You're going to need mayonnaise, mustard, sweet pickle relish, salt, pepper, and I do use smoked paprika. First things first, I'm going to get the yolks out of my boiled eggs. I have all the yolks out of my eggs, and I'm going to smash them up with a fork, nothing special. If you wanted to get beaters or a special chopper out, you could do that. But I'm going to smash these with a fork. And these are fresh eggs. All of them peeled really well, except for one. And I do mine in my Ninja Foodie, which has a pressure pot function. So you can use it like an Instapot. And that is the best way I have found to boil eggs. Just wanted to mention that. I have a video on that if you want to watch it. Or there's plenty of other videos out there. Find one, watch it, make life easier. That's what I have. And I'll just stir it around. If I see any big chunks, I'll just smush them out with the fork. Okay, I'm pretty happy with that. Now I'm going to go ahead and put salt and pepper in there. Salt and pepper is different for everybody and depends on how many eggs you're using and things like that. So do it to taste. I'm going to add a little smoked paprika now. Just stir that up. Also going to go ahead and add my mayonnaise. This is mayonnaise that I made just before I started making this because I didn't have any mayonnaise. And I'm just stirring up. And I may or may not add more. Then I've got stone ground mustard. That's what I have. But you could use regular mustard. You even use dry mustard, like from the seasoning aisle. If you had that and you don't want yours to be too creamy or juicy. Then these are sweet pickles, sweet pickle relish. I'm going to get several tablespoons for the amount that I'm doing. And I'll squeeze some of the juice out. And I'm just going to mix that up. And now I'm going to switch to this. I should have switched to this long before now, but whatever. We are just making us a quick lunch. Now I'm going to chop the whites and put them in here and see if I need to add anything else. And I can assure you that I am not one of these people that is a professional chopper. All I'm trying to do is not cut my finger, okay? I spent a lot of time in the kitchen, but I am not a wizard with a knife. I've never managed that, nor do I see how people do that. It's simply amazing to me when they all that. I don't have that skill, that talent. I don't know. Maybe you're born with that because I feel like nobody could ever teach me to do that. But anyway, we're going to finish chopping these and add them to our egg yolk dressing. So I added my egg whites. We're just going to mix it up. This is looking a bit dry to me, so I am going to add some more mayonnaise. Much better. Gonna taste some. Bit more pickle relish. And a little bit more salt. Okay, so this is good for me. And just do it to your taste. You like more mayonnaise, you want it creamier, you want more mustard, you like it really salty, you like it sweet. However, adjust it to your taste. But these are the basic ingredients that I use. Now, I will tell you how I eat this. I will eat it on bread, of course, just a regular sandwich, you know, just fresh bread, or I will toast a piece of bread like I did today with butter on each side. And also, I saved some whites, whole, halved whole, whatever, not chopped up and put in here. I'm going to do a few deviled eggs with those. I put a paper towel in the bottom of that just because for some reason eggs just get water on them. I don't know why. After they sit in the refrigerator for a while. Now I just sprinkled some smoked paprika on top. I'll cover this. They'll be in the refrigerator and whoever can grab them whenever they want one. So as always, I'm a batch cooker. I like to do things so only have to do it once and don't have to keep coming in here doing several different things. That's just my thing, just how I am. And one other way that I will eat this is on a bed of spinach or some kind of green. I generally eat spinach. Have my toasted bread. And this is how I'm going to eat it today for lunch. Thanks so much for watching. I'm going to eat some lunch and we'll see y'all next time.